Mad Money Lightning Round is brought to you by TD Ameritrade, where smart investors get smarter.
It is time. It's time for the lightning round. What's the matter? Of course, and then the lightning round is over. Are you ready, Steve? Time for the lightning round. Let's go with Shane in New York. Shane.
Jimmy Chill, booyah!
Booyah back.
First-time caller, long-time viewer. My sincere thank you for all you do.
Thank you.
Watching the show for over 15 years with my dad.
Woo.
Company I'm calling about was founded in the basement of your home state of New Jersey. They have POS systems and payment processing. I know who you like in the space, but they have 4 POS brands, 1 Harbor Touch, multiple patents, QR codes for contactless payments, $3.5 billion in annual processing. Just signed the Las Vegas Raiders. I'm up 30% on my IPO. Buy, sell, or hold. Shift4 Payments.
Well, I'll tell you what I'm going to do. I'm going to have to do more work on it because you're absolutely right. I was just going to say Square. Why reinvent the wheel? Let's stick with Square or maybe go with PayPal. But we're going to look at F-O-U-R. That sounds too compelling not to, and I thank you for bringing it to our attention. Daniel in Massachusetts. Daniel.
Hi, Jim. Thank you very much for taking my call. I appreciate that.
Very welcome.
I think you're the man with the plan. What do you think of Limelight Networks?
Oh, LNW. Okay, we used to have them on all day, and you know what? I have to say, it almost dropped off the radar screen when it went under 2, and that's why I said, you know what we ought to be doing? We ought to be buying Akamai. Let's go to Bob in Alabama. Bob.
Booyah from Birmingham, Jim.
Oh, good to have you on the show.
I'm blessed to have a master's degree, but I got my PhD from Cramer University, and I cannot thank you enough.
Oh, I remember when I awarded it to you. I was at the ceremony, remember?
My stock is Crispr Therapeutics. I have a 60% gain. Should I cash in?
No, don't. No, this is real. CRISPR's the real deal, and I think you've got a very good one, and I like them very much. Let's say yes to CRISPR. Okay, now why don't we go to Carlos in Florida. Carlos.
Booyah, Jim.
Booyah.
Wanted to get your thoughts on Virgin Galactic Holdings.
Yeah, well, I think that's ultimately a gigantic short squeeze, and not much more than that. I don't see anything in the near term that tells me that is a winner. So all you're doing is playing the ups and downs of the motions of the stock. Let's go to Craig in New Jersey. Craig.
Thank you so much for taking my call. I want to speak with you about Visa that I've done well with over the years, but I think it's time to switch into Boeing so I could soar with the earnings.
All right, we just decided after years of disliking it, ever since the problems, we decided for ActionAlersPlus.com, my charitable trust, that it was time to start buying Boeing. Not aggressively, but right here, we're going to talk about it at our conference. Boeing is right. And that, ladies and gentlemen, the conclusion of the Lightning Round.
The Lightning Round is sponsored by TD Ameritrade. Don't miss a second of Mad Money. Follow @JimCramer on Twitter. Have a question? Tweet Cramer. #MadTweets. Send Jim an email to madmoney@cnbc.com or give us a call at 1-800-743-CNBC. Miss something? Head to madmoney.cnbc.com.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.